Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how I make money with crypto.com. So no, I know many of you might be wondering how will I start making money with crypto.com. It's very simple. All you just need to do is to deposit a certain amount and you start staking and you get paid for just doing that. I stake and I refer people. So that is only what I do. I don't go and do other things that I don't know. What I focus on, I stake on crypto and I refer people. That is what I do on crypto.com. So when you go to your Google Play Store, search for crypto.com, not cryptocurrency, but crypto.com. So when you search for crypto.com, this is the application you will see. It will be the first application. This is it. And yeah, to register, you need to verify your account. You need to have your ID verified, and you need to have your address verified so that you'll be able to receive your crypto mastercard. So they have crypto.com mastercard that they have in different they have different type of mastercard. They have up to 5 mastercard that you can purchase and get paid. But me, I'm using the free one, which is called the Midnight mastercard, which you can use to withdraw, and they pay you 10% back for every shop you do online. So I will just open my crypto account so that you guys can see what I have and what I have in, and if it's something you need to work on, if it's something you need to get into, you can get into it right now. So let us open my crypto.com app. So as you can see, it's opening now. The crypto.com is opening right now. So as you can see, currently it's just opening. It's asking me to enter my code, so I will just pause. So as you can see, it just opened. Currently right now I have $314.64. So how do I get that money? My own personal money in that amount is $260, while I stake the rest for just doing staking on this platform. So it's a very simple way that you can start making money online. I will show you. I will just go directly to how you can stake. So to stake, all you just need to do is to click on this middle button icon that have crypto.com icon. Click on it, the logo there. Click on the logo and you will see a bunch of things here. You will see crypto wallet, track, fiat wallet, recurring buy, and card, and pay, and you will see supercharge, and you will see N, and you will see more, you will see under reward, you will see refer, and you will see booking.com, which if you go to booking.com, you buy anything from booking.com, you will get 25% off for your purchase. You can see at the bottom, you can see that you can transfer your money into your local bank at the bottom. So if you have a minimum amount, you can transfer your money into your local bank account. So that is everything you see when you click on that, when you click on the menu on this area. So to start any money, you just need to come down here and click on this section that said N under supercharge. Click on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this section. Because you have not started staking on this platform, you will not see anything here. All you will just see is currency and other things that you will find here. So to start staking, or to do to start staking in any currency, all you just need to do is to click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, then you will be able to select which currency you want to stake on. You want to stake on Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum, Tether, or Binance Coin, or Polkadot new coin. Anyone, you can stake in any currency. As you can see, Litecoin, as you can see, Chainlink, many currency that you can see here. All those currencies, you can see all currencies, all of them are available here. You can click and stake in anyone that you really want to stake on. So let me say I want to stake on Bitcoin. So all I just need to do is to click on Bitcoin, and it will take me to this section. You will see how much percentage I will get for for every every chance I take, or every activities I take. They have 3 offers. They have the flexible, and they have the 1-month term, and they have the 3-month term. So which is the 1-month term, you are getting 1.5% into your crypto wallet account every 7 days, and on the 3 months, on the 1-month term, you will get 3% into your crypto wallet. Yes, you will get 3% into your crypto wallet, which is the last one. They have three type, which I said. The first is flexible, the second one is 1-month term, and the 3-month term. The 3-month term, they are paying you 4.5% into your Bitcoin wallet account. So they pay you on Bitcoin because you are staking on Bitcoin. So that is how it works. So to stake, all you just need to do is to click on the one that you want to use. If you want let me explain it. The flexible one, this one is that you can cancel it anytime. This flexible one, you can cancel it after 7 days that you start staking. Let me say you start staking and you don't like it, you want to change, you can just click on it and you go and cancel the staking after 7 days, and you will get all the money that you have spent and your percentage that they say they will pay you into your Bitcoin wallet account. And the 1-month term is that when you stake, the staking have to expire before you'll be able to cancel it. You cannot cancel it. That is the difference that you are seeing here. So you have to understand before you start staking, so you can withdraw your amount anytime. As you can see, let me read it clearly so that you will see everything here. As you can see on the screen, it says flexible asset can be withdrawn anytime, and we earn 1% per year for the duration. Duration is the time you spend staking. You will earn 1% per 1.5% per year for your duration of staking on the platform. So if you stake for 1 year, they will pay you depending on the time you spend on the staking platform, or on this staking plan that you pick, because they have 3 plans here. They have the flexible, they have the 1-month term, and they have the 3-month term. So depending on the one you use, they will pay you higher. So I used to use 3 months. Why? Because I want to make more money. Usually, yes, everybody know, nobody want to make less money. But if you know you want to be changing every time, or you're that type of person that want to be withdrawing your money anytime, you can use the flexible one, which you can see here. Asset can be withdrawn anytime, and we earn 1.5% per year for the duration. So on the other one, you can see Ascent will be held for 1 month and will earn 3% per year for the duration. The other one is said Ascent will be held for 3 months and we earn 4.5% per year for the duration. So that is it. And once you want to click or use anyone, just click on it and click on continue. Here you can accept the terms and condition. Click on the terms and condition, you accept everything, and you click on continue. Here you will enter the amount you want to use to stake on the platform. As you can see, it says you can withdraw anytime, and any will be paid out every 7 days. So that is it. You can withdraw your money every 7 days, and any will be paid to you every 7 days. So that is it. That is how you can stake. So to stake, you just need to enter the amount, click on the staking, enter your password again, and you confirm it, and that is it. The staking will start, and you start making money every 7 days. So that is how you can stake with Crypto.com. And that is how you can stake, and I will show you the other session where you can refer people. So on this session, click on refer. Here they will give you a link that you will use to go and refer people. To every friend you refer that starts staking on Crypto.com, you will make $25. So that is how it works, and that is it. You make $25 for staking on the platform. So that is how it works, guys. Just go and start using Crypto.com and start staking and making money. So that is it. It's very simple. And yeah, as you can see currently now, this is the amount I have, and I've showed you. And you can even pay for airtime. Let me say you come to the section that say paid at the bottom here, click on paid, and you will be able to buy gift card, airtime, and you can scan things, and you can send your friend a certain amount, and you get paid for doing that. So another session that is available on this crypto.com is that you can get reward to buy things online. So me, I have their MasterCard. I have the Midnight MasterCard. You can check their MasterCard. They have a lot of their MasterCard that you will find on their website. So if you are new, you will find everything and you can be able to see everything and see how the MasterCard work and how you can get extra money on it. Like me, I'm using the Midnight MasterCard, which is helping me, and I get some cash for just using this MasterCard. As you can see, I get up 1% into my cashback for using this MasterCard. I have the Midnight one, which is free. Why I take the Midnight MasterCard? Because it's free. That is why I took it. So I have it already, but I have not deposit money inside because I have not withdraw some money. When I withdraw some money, I will transfer them into my Midnight MasterCard, Midnight Blue MasterCard. So that is it. As you can see, they don't charge you anything, and everything is completely free when you withdraw or do anything, but they pay you 1% cash back when you use the MasterCard. I have it, and I will show you at the end of this video. I will show you how the MasterCard is, and if you really like it, you can go and enter all your information so that you can get your own MasterCard and start using it to make money. So that is it, guys. That is how I make money with crypto.com. Crypto.com. You just need to go and start using crypto.com if it's what is suitable to you. I'm not a business advisor, so you need to really do a research before you start doing it, please, and don't make a mistake. Do a research and see if it's what you want. So to start, you need to click the first link in the description. The first link will be the link that will take you to crypto.com, and you'll get $25. Me, I will get $25. So it's a win-win. So you need to take action with the link I have in the description. It's compulsory for you to use the link because you are going to make $25, and me, I will make $25. So start staking, and yeah, that is it. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube channel, and don't forget again to check my website at www.ugospower.com. and thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. So thank you very much, guys. Let us keep pumping, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much. Peace out. So I will show you at the end of this video, I will show you how you can how the MasterCard look and how everything work, and how you can go and withdraw your money. But if you want to withdraw your money, it's very simple. You just need your PIN, and you go and withdraw your money. You can change your PIN on the ATM if you want, or you can use the PIN that followed your MasterCard. So that is it, guys. I will show you the MasterCard. I will just show you the video. I will just do a short video to show you around the MasterCard. If it's what you want, you can take action and start using it to make money. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much, and peace out. Bye bye. If you want any more information, or if you want more information about crypto.com, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. I promise I will get back to you. So thank you very much, guys. Peace out, and see you soon a way on how to make money, and bye bye. Hello guys, as you can see, like I said at the end of the video, I will show you the Visa debit card that crypto.com sent to me. I just a request for the free debit free Visa debit card that they have, and yeah, so I have it now, and yeah, so as you can see, and yeah, I have my debit card. As you can see, I can use it to go and shop online, and I get 1% cash back into my crypto wallet account. So every transaction I do on this MasterCard, I get 1% into my debit card, and yeah, so that is it, and I hope that you too will be able to get your own cash into your account. So that is it, guys. That is it, and you see what it come with, and on this the carton that it come with, you can slide this card in, you can slide it out. As you can see, you can slide it in and you can slide it out too. So it's a cool function carton it come with, and it come with this beautiful MasterCard that is completely free. You can get a 10%, sorry, you can get 1% for every transaction you do. So that's it, guys. Go and get your Crypto.com Visa card. And thank you very much. See you soon. A way on how to make money. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up on crypto. And thank you very much. Peace.